The Women's Reservation Bill 2023, also known as Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, has been passed by both the Lok Sabha (LS) and Rajya Sabha (RS). The bill aims to reserve one-third of seats in Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies, and the Delhi Assembly for women. This includes seats reserved for scheduled castes (SCs) and scheduled tribes (STs) in Lok Sabha and state legislatures. The need for this bill is significant, as there are currently 82 women MPs in LS, 15.2%, and 31 women in RS, 13%. The number of women in parliament has increased significantly since the first Lok Sabha, 5%, but remains far lower than in many countries. According to UN Women data, Rwanda, 61%, Cuba, 53%, and Nicaragua, 52%, Bangladesh, 21%, and Pakistan, 20%, are ahead of India in terms of female representation. Key features of the bill include inserting Article 338 of the Constitution, which allows reserved seats for women to be allotted by rotation to different constituencies in states or union territories. It also mandates the reservation of seats for women in every state legislative assembly. One-third of the seats reserved for SCs and STs must be allocated for women, and one-third of the total seats filled through direct elections to the legislative assemblies shall also be reserved for women. The reservation will be effective after the census conducted after the commencement of the bill has been published, and delimitation will be undertaken to reserve seats for women. The reservation will be provided for a period of 15 years, but it will continue until a law made by Parliament is determined. Arguments against the bill include not specifying the cycle of elections from which women will get their due share, not providing women's reservation in the Rajya Sabha and state legislative councils, and not reflecting the ideal of representation in both the lower and upper houses.